Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I was doing the monthly ritual of cleaning my face and giving like a good massage and all of those. And I thought, why not take you with me? It's going to be a long video for sure. Let me begin with the video to tell you exactly what I do. I do everything at home, so I'm very excited to share my monthly skincare ritual, if I might say so. So let quickly get started. If I fumble this, forgive me because I've been just shooting today the whole day. This is like my fifth video, and I thought, let's do this together. So, let's quickly get started. So, I'm all ready for everything. I've just put like this hairband so that when I wash my face and do like a massage, it should not come in between. So, number one thing that I do is when I start the ritual is to clean the face. Now, double cleansing is extremely important. I'm going to sit right here, quickly do the cleaning and come back. I don't know what's wrong with me. I think my brain is just freezed, but let's do this together again. So the number one product that I'll be using is the Dot and Key. I've already spoken about this product. This is a Dot and Key Strawberry Dew Melt in a Flash Cleansing Balm. This smells like a strawberry candy. I've already used this, but I really like it. So I'm just going to apply it here, but I think I need a mirror. So let me just go and get it. Okay, I'm back. I really wanted like a mirror right here. Don't fall, please. Yeah. Look at myself. Also, yeah. So I love how it removes everything. I'm just going to show it to you. Can you see that? It just removes everything, man. Never forget your neck. I look like a ghost, I know, but I really wanted to do this like real time and show you कि ये कितना ज़्यादा अच्छा है प्रोडक्ट है. Okay. I just want to make sure that everything is out. And yeah, I'm just gonna go clean my face and come back. Okay, so I washed my face. This is how my face looks. And also to save time, I also double cleansed with the Plump Rice Water Niacinamide face wash. So this is something that I use to double cleanse, which is so important because I really did not want to come and go back. So this is how my skin looks, all pad dry. I mean, let's pad dry. My brain has freezed. Never rub your face, never do that. And this is exactly how my face looks without makeup. And I'm very happy about it. The next step is ritual ka hair, that we're going to remove the hair that is there. I don't do threading because it's super painful. So what I'm going to do is I have this aloe vera gel right here. It is by Earth Rhythm, and yes, this is how it looks. I'm going to take this. If you see, इसमें कोई color नहीं है. This is exactly how your aloe vera gel should look like. So this is by again Earth Rhythm, and this is the aloe vera gel. I'm going to apply this on my face. Okay. Also on my eyebrow, like entirely face. Look, entire face, entirely face. Okay. After I have done this, first take, I'm gonna take this right here. And always remember not to cut yourself like this. Always to go like 45-degree, otherwise you're gonna cut yourself. Now, very important, look in the mirror and then do it. I'm gonna show this part of my face so that you can also see how I do it. I'm gonna just press it behind and I'm just going to rub it. I'm gonna show you the amount of hair that I get. Can you see all of these? All the hair. I am a very hairy baby. I get a lot of hair, so I have to get it removed like every 15 days, but मुझसे नहीं होता है, so I do it at least once a month. So I'm gonna press this again. if I talk, I'm either going to cut my hair, cut my face, or I'm going to do something. So let me just quickly get this done, okay? Just an update on how much hair. Can you see how much hair I have removed? I also want to get these stuff removed, the eyebrows, for which I have this right here. If you can see, this is tiny, so ये आराम से अंदर चला जाएगा. So I'm going to get this done. I'm going to show you कि ये कैसे कितना निकला है. You can see my face right here, and I'm going to come back. So give me few minutes. So this is how my face looks right now. I again have to go clean this up and come back, and then we start with the other process. But make sure that whenever you are shaving your face, you have to put like an aloe vera gel or something wet, because if you dry shave, you are gonna cut your skin and it is gonna be very, very itchy and irritating. So please do not do that. It is not safe. Okay, so I'm quickly going to get this done and come back, and we move to the another step. Well, I'm back, and that is how my face again looks. Again, I'm going to pat dry, and my skin actually feels so clean because I've removed all the hair. Always remember to pat dry and not to rub your skin, because at this moment your skin is very sensitive. Okay, so this is my face. Now there is nothing, shaving everything done. Now quickly I'm going to do 3 steps. Okay, number 1 is apply like a nice lip balm. This is by Juicy Chemistry. I love the lip balm of Juicy Chemistry. I usually use this at night. And yeah, after that I have like a cleansing strip. I Usually people say you should not be using this and you should be actually using like a chemical peel, but I don't know. I love this. I think it works for me. I have tried this and this is something that I absolutely love. So how do you apply this? Is first you need to make sure that your nose is wet. So either you apply water or you just apply like aloe vera gel, and also on this stuff. This is by Sand Free brand. So I'm gonna just apply this here and just gonna keep it here. Okay, I'm just gonna press this. Okay, so what I was saying was that usually the dermatologists do not recommend this, because they say that if you put this, then the blackheads and whiteheads are gonna come back. But I've tried this. This one for some reason works on my skin. I don't know why and how. But yeah, it works for me, so I apply it. It's your call if you want to use it or no. Totally and absolutely. While this is happening, we are going to use the Foxtail ka, the purple thing, which has to be used on the dry skin. So we're going to do that. I had like a scope. It actually feels like, oh, I think last time I बहुत use कर लिया था. It actually feels like I'm having ice cream. But yeah, I am going to apply this on my face quickly. हाँ, actually last time बहुत ज़्यादा use कर लिया था. It instantly gives you that cooling effect, which is so good. My mirror is right here. So I'm very, like, where do I look? Your hand na actually best hota hai. You really don't need like anything. If you have a brush, great. I also have it, but the thing is कि मुझे hand से apply करना थोड़ा ज़्यादा convenient लगता है. So I'm gonna apply it here. Also, we do have to apply on the nose area, but let's have a little hygiene thing going on. Otherwise, I'll go a little mental. Thankfully, मेरा कुछ cut नहीं हुआ when I was doing, because now I'm like used to like face shaving. But अगर cut हो गया and you apply like a mask which has active, तो बहुत irritation होगा आपके face को, redness भी हो सकता है. तो you have to be like very careful. And last part is your neck. Cannot forget your neck. Never ever. That's it. We're going to wait for, I think we are good. We're going to wait for good 15-20 minutes, and I'll meet you after 15-20 minutes. One more bit, I'm going to remove this after 10 minutes. Keep this place also with this purple clay mask, and then I'm going to come back. By the way, this is by Foxtail, and this is their Skin Radiant Mask. Cleans pores and reduces blackheads. It has bazillion, purple clay, and lactic acid, which is great for your skin. So yes, I'm going to see you after 15 minutes. Okay. Okay, I'm going to remove this now, which is going to be a little painful, and that's something I don't like, but I thought I'll just show it to you. It is painful. Okay. And let me show you. This seems to be good, but if you can see that, I don't know if you can see that on nose feels really good. Now what I have to do is just apply it on my. I'm gonna take it. It's almost dry. We're gonna wait for another 5 minutes and then quickly move to the next step. I just wanted to show you how this feels. It actually cleans the pores and just gets everything out. But yeah, it's super nice. Feels really clean, and yeah, I'll wash this after 5 minutes and come back and meet you. It's clean and I feel so good. It feels एकदम ऐसा ठंडा. Your face feels very very ठंडा. So calming and so cool. Skin feels alive at your pins. What do I do in these 15 minutes? I brush my teeth, I look at myself, I smile, I say my affirmation, and just if I still have some time, I just watch some podcast or hear some songs. That's it. And the last step that you're going to do, which is my favorite, is applying the Tejaswini Brightening Cream, which is by Forest Essential. पहली बात तो इतना आयुर्वेदिक स्मेल देता है ना, like all the herbs and everything. I love it. And this is how much I've used in the past 4-5 months. Every once a month I use this. That's about it. All you have to do is rub it and just apply it on your face. I'm just going to apply this on my face अच्छे से. Like a lot of it, okay? मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा, because I just use this once a month. And then I'm going to give my face like a good massage. We just massage this for good. Honestly, if you give it like a good massage for around 10 to 15 minutes, it is going to be like so good for your blood circulation and for your skin and everything, because it has like ghee, which actually is the whole purpose of ghee is to purify your skin and your body also. So when you applying this specific product, just give it like a good massage. If there is someone at your house who can help you with it, great. If not, you can just do it by yourself. The whole thing is that I'm going to give like a good massage for around 10-15 minutes and then come back to show you the final look of my face without anything. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. I have given like a good 5-10 minutes massage. I just want it to be on my skin for another 5-10 minutes. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna work on your actually you let's work on my hair. So I'm gonna take the Wish Care hair growth serum and I'm just gonna apply it here. I usually apply it like this side. If you have like baldness here or if you don't have like hairs here, all you have to do is just spray this and that's about it. That's it. I'm not going to apply it anywhere else because I only have problem, like this is my problem area, so I'm just going to apply it here. And you see that shine that has come, it gradually comes after like 10-15 minutes after you massage it. So can you see that? Okay, after I'm done with this, we are going to go for a nice chumpy. So for that, I'm going to use the Indie Wild Ka Chumpy. Just look at the amount I'd used. So let's do that quickly. I top it up. I don't have a problem in it. Or I also use it like before 20 minutes I go for shower. बट मंथली एक बार मैं दोनों मिक्स कर देता हूँ. आई डोंट हैव अ प्रॉब्लम. जस्ट मेक श्योर दैट यू आर अप्लाइंग दिस ऑन योर स्कैल्प and not on your hair because your scalp needs it, and I love this hair oil. The thing is that I'm just going to apply the hair oil and then I'm going to give like a good massage. And the thing ho gaya na that I cut my hand in the morning, like finger. So वो भी दर्द हो रहा है. Why am I telling you all that? I have no. I'm just going to tie this up and we'll have like good shower in the morning. And yes, with that, for the face, I'm going to take the drier side of it and just going to wipe the excess. That's it. Just be very, very gentle and not very harsh. Okay? That's it. I just want this to be on my face. That's it. I don't want to wash my face because when I get up in the morning, it is going to look absolutely stunning. So, this is like how I am feeling and looking, and just look at that nice clean face. I'm not going to top it with anything. That's about it. And I hope you liked today's video. I just wanted to I just wanted to shoot it and share how I do like my monthly ritual for skincare. And yes, that's about it. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Blah blah.